Hey guys, how's it going? How to check stories on Facebook. So first of all, open up the Facebook, and then at the top of your newsfeed, you will see the row of profile pictures and circles. These are stories. You can see it in the app basically. Tap on any profile picture to see or view that person's story. You can tap the right side of the screen to skip forward or left side to go back, and then swipe to the left or to move to the next person's story, or to the right to go back to the previous one. That's it. You can now view Facebook stories. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.